Synapse XT Reviews, Ingredients for Tinnitus Relief. Real customer reviews. Synapse XT for tinnitus. Honest customer reviews. As one gets older, they begin to experience a host of health problems, be it hearing loss, tinnitus, memory loss, or even Alzheimer's. Therefore, it is important to take good care of one's brain to ensure health and well-being. According to the official website, the Synapse XT supplement delivers brain invigoration to support hearing, memory retention, and focus. The supplement integrates an array of active natural ingredients that strengthen brain functions for a healthier lifestyle. Furthermore, the creators of the Synapse XT supplement claim that it delivers a unique performance compared to other treatment options. Unlike conventional medications, the Synapse XT addresses the root cause of the problem rather than providing temporary relief, thus improving both brain and hearing function. What is Synapse XT? The Synapse XT for tinnitus is a triple-action supplement formulated to improve hearing, memory retention, and mental focus. But, like mentioned above, the supplement doesn't only target the brain for no reason. Its triple-action formulation tackles brain and neurological problems that affect hearing, memory retention, and focus. The supplement targets the brain to improve sound and sense perception, communication between the cells to minimize brain fatigue, hearing, memory, and focus. At the end of the day, one will be able to enjoy clearer thinking and hearing with no signs of tinnitus. How does Synapse XT ingredients works for tinnitus? As stated beforehand, the Synapse XT supplement is designed to eliminate the ringing one hears in the ears due to tinnitus. At the end of the day, the supplement helps to eliminate overall hearing loss. After all, problems like tinnitus can have other effects which include chronic headaches. Tinnitus and hearing loss is caused by problems in the brain. When suffering from this ailment, the brain is unable to deliver the needed neurotransmitters to the rest of the body. Therefore, the use of the Synapse XT supplement promotes the delivery of enough neurotransmitters. Synapse XT ingredients. Thanks to continuous Synapse XT for tinnitus customer reviews. Synapse XT ingredients and side effects. Groundbreaking new report gives critical information every customer needs to know. The Synapse XT supplement is formulated with 8 active ingredients. According to the official website, these natural ingredients are meticulously chosen to accentuate the supplement's functionality. Hawthorn berry. Packed with powerful antioxidants, this berry promotes cellular health whilst reversing the effects of oxidative stress on cells. As an anti-inflammatory agent, it delivers a healthy inflammatory response, whilst supporting the immune system. Furthermore, the hawthorn berry supports brain tissues and connective tissues of the body for effective neurotransmission. Garlic. Similar to hawthorn berry, garlic boasts antioxidant properties. This plant reduces cellular damage caused by oxidation whilst expelling free radicals from the body to eliminate further damage from oxidative stress. Additionally, garlic supports the brain's functions and one's hearing. Vitamin B. Vitamin B naturally boosts the body's neurotransmitters to ensure rapid message relaying. Furthermore, this nutrient boosts brain health and function. Green tea. Green tea is added to complement the functions of vitamin B thanks to its brain-boosting functions. Juniper berry. Juniper berry boasts antioxidant properties. Thanks to this quality, this ingredient further promotes cellular health whilst flushing out free radicals caused by oxidative stress from the body. Vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts overall immune-boosting properties. Additionally, the vitamin delivers a healthy inflammatory response to hibiscus. Hibiscus boasts natural immunity-boosting properties. The plant tackles hypertension and anxiety, leaving one calm and relaxed. As it relaxes and soothes the nervous system, it prevents inflammation too. Other ingredients. Additionally, the supplement is packed with other nutrients like rosemary and potassium to improve its functions. Benefits of Synapse XT. According to the official site, the Synapse XT supplement doesn't only improve hearing, memory retention, and mental focus. The supplement comes with an array of other benefits. These include balanced ionic concentration in the neurotransmitter fluids, increased amounts of ions in the synapses of the neurotransmitter, improved message delivery from the brain to the rest of the body, and vice versa, adequate oxygen supply to the brain, reduced brain fatigue, better sound and sense perception, clear thinking and hearing, reduced stress and anxiety, improved cardiovascular health. Synapse XT dosage. A single bottle of Synapse XT supplements comes with 60 capsules, which equal 30 servings, making it enough for 1 month, according to the official website, as a daily recommended dosage. One should take 2 capsules of the supplement with a large meal, breakfast or lunch. The makers of the supplement claim that one should begin to notice changes in 1 month. However, for optimum results, one should take the supplement for at least 6 months. Furthermore, to ensure that one receives maximum results, they should take the supplement daily without skipping days. Synapse XT pricing. According to the manufacturer, the Synapse XT supplement is available official website with 3 package options to give the customer a choice of what they need. One can try a single bottle which will last them for 1 month. A single bottle costs $69 and an additional $7.95 for domestic shipping and handling. Alternatively, one can opt for the 3-bottle package which lasts for 3 months. In this package, one will only pay $59 per bottle. Thus, the total for the package would be $177, saving up to 15% of the original price. Plus, the 3 package option comes with free shipping and handling. Alternatively, one can opt for the 6-bottle package to receive the best value. This package lasts 6 months and only costs $49 per bottle. Therefore, one will pay a total of $294 with free shipping and handling, saving up to 30% on the package. Additionally, each Synapse XT supplement package comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Thus, one will have enough time to test the supplement for up to 2 months. If they don't notice changes within the 2 months after purchasing the supplement, they can request a full refund with no questions asked. For purchase on the official website. According to the manufacturers of the supplement, this helps to protect users against duplicators. Therefore, if one finds Synapse XT supplements for sale in other e-commerce websites or marketplaces like the Walmart site or Amazon, they definitely will not be the authentic ones. Find out the current Synapse XT prices. Synapse XT reviews. Conclusion. In conclusion of this Synapse XT for tinnitus reviews, as claimed on its website, the Synapse XT ingredients uniquely address hearing loss. It boasts a triple action performance, which doesn't only improve hearing but improves brain functions too. With a healthier and effectively functioning brain, the body enjoys overall health and well-being. Thus, Synapse XT delivers impressive improvement. However, the ultimate targets of the supplement are hearing clarity, memory retention, and mental focus. Nevertheless, one must know that the Synapse XT is a dietary supplement. Therefore, for people suffering from hearing impairment or other ailments that require one to use the Synapse XT, it shouldn't be a replacement for their prescribed drugs and medication. It should only be used as a supplement. Furthermore, to ensure that the supplement is safe to use, especially for those with existing conditions or those who take prescribed drugs, it is advised to consult their physician. Additionally, for women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is highly advised against using the Synapse XT supplement. Click the first link in the description below to order Synapse XT from the official website.